So you say about 1760 your text me.
Was Santiakim. Was Mammy Shum Manana, and I don't cry for another. He's part of the faction in MPPY.
Okay.
I'm saying, Mamma Bra. Yahoo, Mammy Sukakara, Ate, Mammy Shumano, Ate, you cry, Pamsa 40 was Suka, Subrambram, Sunamudia, Traho, Ate, Alabama Mintia lawyer, Papa. Yo, there's some cocoa to the bim, no one was over the bimoa. I sent bet me a boabo. And more, yes, sir.
Okay, the informer, the Obokata, I'll say MPP MP lawyer in trouble to appear before General Legal Council. And the informer says that MPP Council of Elders, a tool for Akufo-Addo, Arthur Kennedy, and CJ, courts of suspended judges still running. Special coming up, how a certain stark illiterate Ali is destroying Mohammed's government with his dirty deals. The informer, the Obokata, also the Ojaba.
And I pay a mamma, and some I would wire, by ya fee, and a diet to me, I remove near back who was a money, and body a better water. If we are who's woman to so a deal until the mantem, Tiamo Fantanere from Swa, Nanki and Yaki, Bacan and Tamama, and I ain't free, woman diabosso, woman die, I say Bacan and Tem. And someone inform my dear about her fine boy. Abrantia when the one to papa banam lemua, near day die cry. Wash them lemua and so best so pet to the wako quarter, when you baby, when you baby pa. Now, sir, I said, where the other end is for you, one crop for. Pamsa here for what part in the movie I say, what you crop for any more yamos as I know moon was a day you've been to me. And a number as a son of Mako Kondeko, then a number. And then some APA person who are Brantia, one cray. I didn't send Mamma Mutumidia party campaign. Mutumi Adia program. Mutumidia press conference. One person good who is a legal council, Befren, where I drop a Yanukura Nimsa will be afro be a Yaba, a Nasi, and will mock up once some tape will be no more. No tape, no doctor, doctor, I will tape, remember Tibi, would tell me I say, Rancy, doctor, I will tape, no woman, they bass a legal council. That no back a year, they are semi copy more quarter one and no one in the crop for. Nipa ordinary sama no yes wo ko tua taxi wo kwa ya matasi wo kwa ko tua ne yes taxi say receipt forgery receipt na ba ye no mo ke kasa ne wo no ne nipa na ko tua forgery taxi no we Ghana Revenue Authority we Ghana Revenue Authority wo nya Ghana Revenue Authority so dey mitre enti e no pemsa yefo enti monto afa fufura wo mo MPP legal council in Arthur Kennedy any more one day was so PC in and out everywhere you go. Arthur Kennedy were American na the PC $. No one in the man in the bush you have ready. No what the name is as and MPP na who was no now what tape now what tape I no so him na one na year juma one ne kobai and the bin more kasa na na nkrofo bi yeti anu one was there na na nkrofo yeti anu one na ye no one nim de yakoso obetimi aye ho bibi no one yon wo ye no Arthur Kennedy the dear to the water as a legal council of one. One more letter, dear Cosa, Foco, Temai. One more Fanuqua, one was suspended. No more Fanuqua, my committee. Committee, one more discipline. One more Fanuqua, and was a no woman. I said, woman, and I did this idea. Woman, and I did the end, woman, you are obviously, Sir Council of Edessy. Now, some look like by any penny, I say, Munumos and 9 as I and Diana Wedimuno. Okay, so the question is, why is the MPP interested in destroying itself? For African marking. And the sort of names are ever up. No? You cannot take it away. They are closer to Nana Adodanko. They are extremely closer to Nana Adodanko. Ebi party from number domo New Patriotic Party. So the question is that MPP for which so watch out for this space. Coming days, MPP want to see here. Afraid Beji Zoo. Watch out for this space. Mr. Tape, wouldn't have. Okay, so that's one of the assaults in the baby. Yep.
Yep. Until that's it.
When I'm mood, did more record more to honor more record more gas, that more record more partner more record. That I don't know. By you said, maybe the ham won't come here to mamma.
Yeah, home to they can come in the yard. Say, not Dama, 7 Jim. Because someone party phone penny for no na se mo amu di mo ko mo
na mo de bato mo tia na mo wia na mo sound mo certain and drop us
exactly
say ya na ye didi etire na nsam organ ye nkan no ne nya ntontai na mo ko meeting am record mo munim sense mo e na mo record mo mo ko kwa bibi di mo ko pa bibi di ewu
come to after us
mo ko pa bibi di ewu na mo sa record mo ho no na de na mo pa kire
but let's stay the ground
clear na wan kasa wo de ade na ewu obi enu say
so we'll discuss it
all right
it that's
e de nkura no
all right so I'm by the position
but see I dey be wo hokra tape no tie be kura to say doctor wom e bu twetwesi
okay
tesa wo bright wo party ni mu ana pemesa yefo bi no mo twa
within your party
within the same party na the party ni ba ku na ka kire ne say ne say ama baba jama minister na asamba fa baba jama ho a MPP na be kwakoye
okay
no minister ni wo ya de be ma no
okay
baby oh but na say me ama baba ho nsem dey eza mo demo okay mo ke ka dey mo pe
the publisher Chief Justice charges no judge has been discharged it here we could see a meme that go continue na mo akra bebrebe na
that says yeah true story na ya ntwere ni yi
okay
wow asam ne ba na ye kokan ne ya nka ni yi nya sa na te ye hu so ka
na de wo hu na
oi baby uti na so na Ibrahim dey aye pentim ka sa ni nua ketwa
Ghana's debt meme ndanopa
Zumra Juma
Ghana's debt now 94 billion Ghana cedi and EMP returns dredging equipment to government or say he was specific because he bonchre ken go ken be
kan e wo haya enti botre no hu so what the equipment ne ko was bo TV ni so ana say bo phone so fatire
ebo TV
enti wa fra kan wo ba bo if you had your Monsieur Pia, oh, begum, oh, say, yeah. Crofos, you hold Diasa, but my dear, so maybe been to be fat. So that's natural talent. I mean, the dear my embryo to Munya me and Yebre. And the publisher near there to us, the other publisher move, and the Chief Justice say, and I who will go away, and Yama Major in a wood will be no more to us about your friend in life. Actually, say, by uncle, one paper been parking home. Ada say someone na sa kwayi aba ne de ne bibi bebo wefi etire enti wono na bia wanto to ne be ye na ma binom agigi sika de ni ade a someone aba ene se ne ye beto dwase ye se judge for no a magistrate court circuit court judge for du aduonu mienu ene high court judge for du mienu no wo mutire mu e beto dwase emumiensa magistrate and circuit court for emumiensa ya de asa asem no ya dia mo esinchari hwo mu de mahunu se asem bia fa wo ho ena Chief Justice say nyesa na asem ne te ye de mra ne ye ka wo besere mo mamo nchacha asem no fa mehame wo bia in the studio bia asem ne say tiger eye for mo yo mo program no mo hunu se fom so wo video no nipa no mo bo ni din say asem wo asia fa mo hono say video mo kware no enyo mo judge kura yes ha no mistaken identity enu ntire mu no mo de baaye nyesa bi o ma re asem no mo awie ena o ma de study nipa miensa nyesa na tie ntie no judge kura o mo de baaye so ma gun ho o ma gun ho o ma nyaade enti judge yesra wate wonte sa na no kura no bufu e onwa onwa
oja sinto beba atemu adwuma ye
da bi wonu nwa
na bi ofiri ba ye no awonu so nwa
na make so wonu so nwa no won keka bintre
okay today
ana
well
judge afufra wo bo ane say ne wo kire mu wo say ade today be ma make yeah today fufra wo bo ane say ne Ibrahim Muhammad kira yan ka asem kira kare dia akofra ko adan ya asem be to dwa ya kan na kofa ba ye de hu krata ba ye say ne odo na wo muti mu afi no wo muti afiri mu no wo mu drete no eyade His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne nua ba Ibrahim Mahama ana ja wo mu de adwuma na ma no no nye na bufu se o ma so se e de ama no so ankoye na asem ne be de se won ji sika wo ye de ache no se no nye na bufu de ye na bufu ne sa bai kasia wo mu de ama no so fa nya adwuma no ye de Ibrahim Mahama ne company ne ye de ambo kasa no te se de ka ne ye ne dia eno ye nya de sa na ya pasa ba ne de ama no so won no ayade ya say to go government of Ghana nko anes wo de ye adwuma asa na na government of Ghana adwuma ye de Ibrahim Mahama EMP company bebo ho e na beto dwasa da no memene da adwuma no Ibrahim se wawie na car no nyese wo fa akwawe wo fa no waton an wo de akwaye na adwuma adwuma no wo koye ebo Ghana wo wie wo de case na koma ne wura asa car no mo de aban mu so mu de ma de no wakwa ho santrofo a wo de koye kaninti Eswantrofo be 1 million kainti se de be aka betimi ahunu de esi ye mu kase na wo yi wo wie no so mu mahadwuma me de ayo na mu hunu saka na me de amani wura nti so mje
okay
o de
so maji oliki is ni manana ese keke ma horo me self Ghana for
Ghana for kasa ho
1760 or text message line Fabre na NG break.
Yes, akwa no pedoko no papa.
Watch out for this space.
Any banku.
Jata cement for enchoma be sponsor. Jata cement.
Then
Jata cement. New product. Jata cement.
Yes, cement Jata.
Jata
then. Nanti also cement dia Jata. But Jata dia nya
cement.
Jata nkasa. Enya some say fear o cameraman wo de Jata. Oh, cameraman wo de ni Jata o.
Jata nkasa.
Ofika. Na fitire. This is a friend Jata.
Ofinkonya.
Weyi, ala banyo.
Daily Graphic. Bribery scandal in judiciary, no judge discharged. Official list now out. MP Zabuzugu Rural Bank in Tango over 244,000 Ghana cedi loan. And some judges stand up against corruption, threaten to detain Anas if
5 women. Woman kotan say kata se prayer kan dream ebi ni wo mafa. Nice beautiful girls and boys come. Beautiful girls and boys are judged for magistrate court NS Fabra for me girls no Fabra magistrate court and judges and judges and the what we can say circuit court and magistrate court are judged for na yes say wo mo de brave yes wo mo de kwama ma mefuo so wo mo ne wo mo fa nya nkrofo judge for and as mlante ne koye sa na wo mo hwe mo say umu ade ho we are mechi watum we are wuru of mama wadam me se mama wadam what do you mean me na be brave mo na me hwe broni e se be brave me wo hwe tuntum se wio ya sense mani a wo bo ho we ya brave no wo hwe se de wa fe ne sifita yi a ya brave no ma me ya se fifi wo hwe no wa se de otie wo betimi abrabo no wa so ya mama wadam wo mu a wo mu hu so e ba bonte sa asem ye ni wo hu eno ho amane bo de wo mu eno so judge ade charge wo mu Supreme Court Chief Justice abetrem say the charge asem mistaken identity no ma kire me ko.
The New Statesman, PPP submits proposal on new voters register to EC. Assembly contender threatens to sue EC over voting. Mahama's character offers oxygen for corruption to thrive. The big one, Emisata causes confusion at Flagstaff House. Alan comments Nanado over rise and build tour.
Nanado go so ya wa ba pro rise and build. Sorry, sorry, nesi. Tour wa kwa di PM we PM mantemu. PM we voter register won wo kwaka so no anya kurafu ka da sha pro adrim. Kankan wochiri. Enya dia wa ye bia o ma sha da di bi fale no ye yi asem. Na yire ne ho kwa campaign wa kwa woni Alan kwadwo kire ebi ni mo pese o mo kire sensam ede o mo mienu ntamanu nti ene nde national executive sasama ba o mo ho no wo mo mienu na na mo ye campaign na campaign no na ebo de wuro kase na ebi dum so te eyi enkran wo ne ma asesai ne ma manana eno na me tu no fo sese wakase wo so de no wakasem no wo hwem nka no mo nyaaye eno ho ma ne bo na wo mu ana na alante odio tremanten kire se na obomode papa wa bona na ba so se de ne pa o papa wo betimi aboa ma Ghana akọ na mu ana na doda nkwa akufo ado no beyo ne yaso ukọ Flagstaff House ya ye pinso adan ya pa kwesi emisata excellence na akọ so confusion wo so ma payi excellence do ma ni Mahama kofa ne form so ya wo koso mete ya na asarali no ya ade na irani mate wonya fa ye na nya ne de hom no ka sa ba omi anam ne namo wa nkyere ho na ye no asete ena nkrofo se na de na emisata na umpa no na asa de na ekoso ye confusion everywhere one man born statement dia betu dwa ye kan mu na isi PPP fo wo mo se na register no MPP fo ka ho asem no mo so koli otom wo mo ene o mo ya dwene kwen.
The Herald Delbocata 1760 text message line Fabra and Intimenje Branking Kai Enfamao Delbocata Tiffany Anya De Brown the ultimate TV breakfast show bedroom on Adom TV multi TV so me do ma hene Kwabna Santina na abrefo so e wa hanem say the Herald say Ibrahim Mahama returns government dredging equipment, and gaping holes in Anas hyped secret video. Senator Rollins must wait small. Niyama Shite charges, and Stanbic Bank co-owner got it wrong on Justice Zamfe and others. So the Herald, the Bokata, and also there, or the Abba.
Herald, the Bokata, and it was one some more the Abba Ajadi for. Ah, and your mobile panesh or more near one. Woman, and I called to them, that's some get home. One shop which has a dad to cram at night, and to call to them not. Who was slow, be an answer to ask some crow. I am to say, I would do one, that's some catra. Yeah, wouldn't more be said, Jaco, yes, I could hear. Was so one any odd time, it's subject to me for the whole Ghana, we are singing. Will be away to me, partner, a Jaco, to Gusuya, one day, your performance here. This was where Jaco answer, Bisano, Dano, and answer my own little court. I had an idea that was why I told them that somewhere by a video, no. Some mistake, woman, some video, no, the part, the Pammy, Sabi, sad mistake, and one man about, and a Herald at the Abbatu Jaque.
Yeah, to also define the Democrat fallout from Anas expose on judicial corruption, investors shocked, and CJ's deadline to judges expire today. Lawyers at war over Anas video on judges. Define the Democrat. Also, the Odiaba.
I find that any other to us one idiot Odiaba for some Kuya or nay. Yes, I Anas revelation by into a more Sika to me, the Sikaba Gana, Bay Jumawa. Am I any animal Munya Jumanyo, Ebenya Biayon? I am saying, I almost one more Mugusu, a investor or Ghana, or Muya Juma or Ghana, one more Anas and Semianum say. Nana Bia, let me acquire to me, Aqua say, and send me back on my year. And then they were no my mother, some of my say, Nabo Motokuma, and ye utim, no, quite defeat. And one man born a woman, I am Sishia, Anas in the boy, any idea, one man born Anas, lawyer for one any any video near the idea, one man more.
Well, let's also the Ghanaian Times 1760 or text message line. Fabra in Minje Branking Kai Enfamao. Nigerian drug trafficker dies in hospital. No way soldiers halt estate developer. President's brother ends Odo dredging. And big one, which is my favorite, Fabulous Kotoko bails out, but only fails to escape. Still, we are hoping for our 6 points.
No, free and fair.
Huh?
We're hoping for 6 points. 6 points will go. Case now, Banwa. For a dear for what is one bufu.
So much.
I'm Robert say, I'm Robert here. Yes, I do Manua and bufu. So, I'm going to really gas over the judgment here. As I'm no more we are so now, appeal to the end, what I'm away. And then bufu. And then 6 points in the end, what they are. What 6 points will be. Yes, I come to the hour, dear by yet to the more. And I bet you address a name, yes, and Nigeria, maybe or no, a bubuafu, 1 year and a home, a bubuafu, 1 year and a home, and then they times the ambassador, I want to when he be a good yamu or motin or they want to buy. And one motin where airport to a papa or mamma be as one fit, one unfit, all off, you copy more hospitals, yes, about me and supple, as a 37 in Bemo, and in Yamada room at 7 for to me, you know, come out, be added on a quail, will be only the sea. Abranti enough from Marshall and Enquire, 55-year-old man, war pesica, a dear walkotoko, and no matter near Diana boy, and near the show, many as a free and 9 am saying, no, free affair.
Georgia Unipa.
Maybe Sadio is over free affair. And they, yes, at 9 and 9 40 Party. Adriana 40 Adriana, leak the woman that say.
Adriana,
Adriana. Woman that said
Adriana stars.
And now to be question. And yes, sir, 40. And a quarter said Adriana
4.
What's it?
Adriana.
Now I saw go relegation. That's why I said
it's difficult to.
Hey, one match our match.
It's difficult to support Adriana. Match fix, but sometimes.
Oh, NFC. And now FSC. Yeah, NFC. Has a 40 and FSC.
Yashimi Heart of Lions say has a 4 field day more than necessary nipa which is foreigners in your team within a particular game.
Coach your foreigner.
Now Heart of Lions for shares man ko ye now man fan ko GF fan ko bomb say semo has a 4 new mom how dey good team no e do so say
eh now mo so how do fear to be we ko di has
has zom dey you no bati anya.
And didn't you about force? I of life.
Daily Guide. Daily Guide. Headmasters cry over huge debts and how judges took cash. Daily Guide.
Hey, yes, Daddy Makubi Wodru. What is can you do? Caught way later, pa. 1 minute traffic. So I want to quibble this guy today, 5 minutes away. What is the car? What you could cast it? And then you phobia do we all do. And one man when they were talking, they ought to be a quite fast or upon Katikasi. Upon 2 hours, dear good and Massy and Katikasi. Oh, Sicadia Blab, the old Yanaka in boom preco, so they bear good and Massy, and I say, and no, any woman who's so probably away there, go walk up a baby actually. Any idea, auto guide, Mr. Nwake.
Okay, yeah, to us finally, today the Democrats are PPP calls for electronic voting as it holds national convention on October 31. NDC primaries in danger as MPs threaten court action.
I see MPs be our mom say one Mary. Date your mother ashes or more by no obi frame for Metiwa. Say will be our person near Tiwa, a Diogena and say near. Wamasha down for ambition, Wamasha in every more than the single go to Kashi. Now Uncle Tiama Bank, and I'm saying necessary bank and I cash. And one man about much I say, I see a baby so, quoting some papa, and my dash to me about one man about a woman, PPP, some of the air to them that.
Diamond out with Slim T and Kwame B. Kasapa offer was better.
Just show me that a diamond your way Slim T and family papa. And no one Kwame B. the name, ya know what I am multimedia hit from the new butcher nay. Woman the number showbiz more watching us ahead. Now I know come the noir. Yamana be near dear because I mean that me to watch near so much to baby was an evident. And just a hit for money man cat when we are so come to be a triac and be a mammy. No mom Casapasi can woman the band, Casapania mano, yay, a kumnipa. Woman capene as a yakum, what a now ye buari, eh? Woman penny and nipper soon more free had and yasam 21 years. A Kwame be a dear to your name, hit for us or mobile cast and namano so still. No, I am not just sure, but continue near no call, yeah, or boy, do my work Casapa, and one man the boy and the woman war. A lot of Kenya say, Fatu. Well,
1760 Brasso say Rocky Father Michael online stories, so I cried make us Rocky and Rooney on their bedrooms on the Bribia that you was to say the Beya, who say open no papa. We Rocky Frima and Yadia Ebeboa, Yawo, Yanko, okay,
happy birthday, sir. Yeah, Kwesiche Dakwa. Or send a brother Kwesiche Dakwa or disco. Happy birthday, KKD. Happy birthday, free. Theodora, ya or Boise. And was seeing from Menuano na one from Colin. Online stories say that yeah, the air twas one rock clinic for Adaroma, and you do online stories no Edebra was a menace in a way. Rockers in the rock garlic mixture, a bedia boy, ye papa. Rock garlic mixture, a bedia boy, what a garlic here. No, was a near Mahudu garlic to me the bread pediano, and ask him come out rock garlic mixture. Ne use to name to me Nana's idea what we did anymore. No up a mala rock, no malaria, yeah, no so docro war. Mala rock, to me a year free hot edia ma mala rock, malaria, edocro one to me a year free hot edia ma. Na fe
well, I want to for by Jasokra Jenny Kio and also another quality product from Rocker Clinic Limited. And no say we will be a okun future will be a tonka and watchy offensive odor or vaginal discharges. And I say, oh, how tis a hunam at chichon, Obamodiana Jenny Kio Nibia Eboa, Isa Yamanina Edifio Procope Edemao. Friend number says 0302 294 2313 and 0244 230 na only one in his house. One other at the online stories. Ebro.
Online at domonline.com and somehow do our honor. They go back to my catchers already. You might interest you. Want to be trapped in Nigeria, Santa no Macofan, some year Nigeria. Sorry, dear, by say a branch here been in a year. Now, down for pursue raping a year when you were trying to be mayor for Jose. Tang our Nigeria, woman, the bar by a senior Ibuku. Ibuku ena waye na down for eyire ibuku adam for yire en wo peso wo fa maame no ena yese ne maame ya fa sekai ne kashaw ekashaw te se de wona na ntwina mo next time wo bi ire a wo bepa baabi amantam Nigeria for ni nsem hunu se de ene ebinum tumi yo papa pa ho ama ne ba adom one rai de aba betu dwa adom one rai sem ahodo awomuo ebie ene mabomu ade akyerɛ wo no ene emeka aike wono so ane yiri eja no ho ama ne boy emeka aike ane yiri ja no adom one rai ede aba da no memene da ene akwasi ada no miensa ene money mine Mayweather woni abrantie bi akoko ye Mayweather wa aburu amene ni maso Mayweather enam si abrantie no wanwene ne ho pakia okoye kisi sei pakia okoye wokoti sei wo bro no papa
akwane ni maso ba
so na ni nyina aso Mayweather enu wo de bro no ho ama ne bo adom one right be aba afag challenges anas to premier judges bribery videos na anas afag the challenge wo nyai wo bi ansuma no ne challenge because anas wo no so ade no be premier anas see ade no be premier wo mtwi omumu tan ye wo be premier ho asemu my wife is not a judge Bishop Dake won mess dia to da wo abeto dwa say dade mercy bi I be he word mercy wa kwankwo di edamudie ni bi ene wo dia to dwa say mesramo o me yere wonya judge o me sofo me yere wonya judge muka se me yere na akwade ene ono wo ma de bo and 10 Dake won mercy aba betri man case wife over banku with that fish ne yere man banku afa na man ka ho wakum no na banku ye di ni kwa banku yira wa me we na man ka wo wonya ne
ba je fam kwa ka me man
se ko ne wo twa na yere sere ho na ka wo twa na yere sere ho na ka wo twitwa ade ti na mama me kunu banku no mama ne mema ne fish se wo tumi ma ne fish ma ne we wo tumi ma ne fish ma ne we na so twap money so a wonwe nam
okay
wo twap money say so a wonwe nam
yeah da okay for ACP one on the Jenny Kio edro fufuro abadwa so free one aso Jenny Kio dey and say menstrual pain and what very offensive odor and as a vaginal discharges and unpleasant itches biano Jenny Kio A2 as here precope ede I'm afraid 0244183230 and 030229423139 rocket
Jenny Kio
OPT Donald Fraud Davis Opoku Special Assistant to General Secretary Cabinet Japan Enra Anaodiwa Woda happy birthday.
Happy belated biom koma was say Trina Boache Yadom or Hopa International School year we boakwa Trina Boache Yadom belated happy birthday koma
Yakwaba yaba yon komodi e wasem kese meje de so I crowd so ne bekasa Yakwaba
very I don't want to use the word but I'm disturbed and if I'm pushed I will say I'm disappointed about comments that I've already heard so far here because you, the host, you've already passed judgment. You said you were shocked. You were this. You claim that you've seen the tape.
Yes, I have.
I have seen some too. I don't agree with you. I don't know whether she has seen Miss Berry, right? Or Mrs. I don't know.
Mrs. Kasati.
Mr. Tudazi, my old friend, has not seen the tapes.
He has read
and yet he was quite ready to say that.
He has read transcripts.
A lawyer should not depend on transcripts. Please, a million suspicions do not constitute proof.
That is so.
That is authority on that. There is authority on that.
Yes, Kasina in 1962.
Ali Kasina?
Yes.
Yes. So, you haven't seen the clip, and you are saying you were shocked.
No, but you see, the authority you are referring to, Ali Kasina, says a multitude of suspicions cannot constitute proof.
Yes.
He's not talking of suspicion. He's talking of having read transcripts. I am talking of having
if
seen
you read transcripts
videos
of a video clip and you haven't seen the video clip, it is suspicion. Mr. Host, okay. I'm putting it to you.
Well, I
very forcefully. Very forcefully.
Yeah. Just hold on.
I'm putting it to you very forcefully. That when you have read newspaper clips, especially our present day newspaper clips in Ghana, and you jump to conclusion, I am putting it to you that it is suspicion. Now, I have seen some of the clips.
Okay.
Because I was dealing with that until about 8 p.m. last night.
Right.
I am not shocked. as opposed to you. You are shocked. I don't know the ones you saw. I haven't seen all. I saw the ones relating to my clients. Some clearly, absolutely rubbish, with the greatest respect. And you say you were shocked. But let me leave that one aside. You are saying that we are just coming to ask for time. It is not so. We are saying that procedural law is as important as substantive law. The law says, you heard Professor Prempeh.
Yes.
Yes. Why did he run away from this camera thing, having regard to Superior Court? It is in the Constitution, Article 146, Clause 8. These proceedings must be done, and it is in italics. In camera is in italics.
He explained that he is talking about the lower court's judges.
I am coming to that.
Right.
I am coming to that. There are authorities, plenty of authorities, that where proceedings are relating to the Supreme Court, they must, pari passu, operate on the lower courts. What is the policy behind that provision in the Constitution? The policy is that when the judiciary is such a special institution, that when you have accused a member of that institution, we must investigate the allegation so carefully that when the person is absolved, the whole institution doesn't come into disrepute, or that person's repute cannot be restored. And so if it is applying to a Supreme Court judge, why will you not apply to a magistrate? The majority of the judges Kweku has mentioned are in the lower courts. They are not in the Superior Court. The majority of the 400 he has mentioned are in the lower courts. So their integrity is even more important than the integrity of the members of the Superior Courts. So we are saying that
Prof is saying though that we are not in ordinary
Samir,
times.
I beg you.
No, you are reacting to him, so I'm bringing that to
I am not going to allow you
we are not in ordinary times.
If you don't want to entertain me, I'll just leave, because I've been watching you from my home, and I think you don't allow people to state their case. I am stating my case. You allow me to state my case, and then you can ask me questions. When I'm in the middle and you cut me,
you are moving on now to.
I am not moving. Point. You ask me a question.
You are moving from your reaction to Professor Prempeh to why you are in
have
court.
Not moved. I just used Professor Prempeh's intervention to explain a point I was making.
Please proceed.
Yes. And I'm saying that my clients are saying that the procedure must be followed. And that what is happening does not constitute the procedure sanctioned by the law. So you should ask me what the law says, and I'll tell you. So that is what we are complaining about. The procedure is wrong.
There are also very, very good ones in there who refused to be lured.
Correct.
And that's the picture that the ANAS project puts out there. There is no attempt to suggest that the judiciary is corrupt or all judges are corrupt. This provides the opportunity, and I know that he's written, ANAS has sent some recommendation, that's a letter to the CJ, where he talks about, if you don't mind.
Yes, go ahead.
He says, after having submitted a petition to your high office in respect of corrupt judges, I deem it a great honor to present to you some of the good and morally upright judges that I had the honor of coming across. In the course of my investigations into perceived corruption in the judiciary, I'd found judges who were ready to uphold their oaths and perform the duties of their office without fear or favor. These judges were more than ready to put me behind prison bars for even coming in to speak to them about a case. Others will not permit you to come and bribe them, and their clerks will tell you that very clearly. Anytime this happened, I left the court premises with a sense of joy and hope. They made me know that justice had no price. There is indeed hope for Ghana. Generally, most of the new circuit and district court judges were determined to do their work without any compromise. It was their determination and courage to do the right thing that motivated me every day.
The new ones?
Yes. We as a people must not fail them. We must do all we can to keep them on the right path. I firmly believe that we can do this by weeding out the bad ones and ensuring that the good ones are rather not allowed to feel like the old ones out. I present here under a list of these judges. Can I read them?
Oh, go ahead.
Justice.
Go ahead. Please go ahead. I have said that we need to celebrate these people, including even the state attorney I was talking about yesterday.
But in this protest, maybe you may give him the chance to.
So.
No, please.
But please.
In charge. I'll come to you.
Justice Kwesi Boakye, High Court, Wa. Justice Bright Mason, High Court, Accra. Justice Constance Ometou, I'm not sure I've pronounced it properly.
Yes.
High Court, Accra. Justice Georgina Mason, Dache, High Court, Accra. Justice Afia Sewa Asari Bochwi, High Court, Accra. Justice Anthony Opon, High Court, Accra. This name rings a bell. Was it the Yana case? Martin Batnodro's target. Felicia Gandezi, District Court, Abeka. Charles Kwesi Achampon, District Court, Dodua. Samuel Jani Korti, District Court, Ejuso. As at the time of the investigation, that was where he was located. Right. Abdul Baki Abdullahi, District Court, Tubodo. Then Bright Asog Ajo Sagi, District Court, Kodie. This tells you that the project is not out to suggest for a moment that the entirety of the judiciary is corrupt. I just assess the list. That shows that the number of judges that we have, in terms of the Supreme Court up to the High Court, is about 400. The entirety of the staff is about 5,236. If you go to the High Court, it's 106. Circuit Court is 64. Magistrate Professional 59. Career Magistrates 131. Then if you add the Supreme Court and Court of Appeals, all 400. So nobody is suggesting for a moment that there's evidence to the effect that the judiciary is corrupt or all judges are corrupt. That's not what ANAS set out to do. Okay. And that's why, and indeed, since the names of those that have been captured on the video as having been compromised have been mentioned, it only makes, I think, fair, it's a matter of fairness that those who did not allow themselves to be lured must also be mentioned.
Right.
I think it's fair.
Okay. You could just hold it there for me for now, and I come to John Ndebugri. Well, you are in a very special position.
Ampedi Fiabuchawa. Okay. Wrap up, man.
Until something may catch you. We are judgmental, do they? Tell me, I said no crown, no one dear dream, no can the boogie there, and now no, Nebugri, and oh, my Samson, hope Papa, and go with the other. A young is a and in the boogie, and walk keep quiet. I've been watching you in my house. In the boogie, 100 demo, I will be. I've been watching in my house. Watching news file in my house. 100 demo on a pie. Do I go to Fiada? Remember that I call her a news file. Remember that I never be probably on a pass. And to what I've been watching in my house. I've been watching you. You don't allow people to finish. Then you cutting. You've been judgmental on this issue. Well, just watch what you say. Any idea? enti we sorry be any apologize be any wa chere na de be bugira chere na de na yi ba bom pie so ohima wo takwa bom pie so wodi na wo da happy belated birthday nkoma wo hima ya wo bom pie so we say twem kates kwaku ba ko se yenka no to bodom tuobodom oh nkonkon sa agwadi awi ekuro no obufa so sa also good morning happy birthday enkoma nadam for down so Raymond yeah wo so Bishop driver any greetings to Sister Elizabeth of Obrofoyaw Junction here work Cape Kennedy na wode eba ye nana hema de ndem makadada owa wode message aba na me hunu ye o say to my co-workers Kingsford Owusu Boache and Bridget and a budget officer and Water my North Education Office happy birthday we free Amos aka Puchi eho eno de bai
Edamu ina mase ebraso say Wallace Gifax father modi agokensi eba Gifax for the agokensi ebro Kwanstrom cuz Wallace so I crowd and rather last bit of a First Capital League so leaders now Ash Gold and now me who say Akon okura cap no yeah Akon deputy minister gender
member of parliament wo paid why no person to no kwara
ono no wo enipa addresses Bob any send him kura won ko bi nti ho open floor
okay you so nti wo no na pay me call bempe me call bomb obi dia ba ato Aisen ese anape wo pe wo tapa de bompe ampedu pese obaye host program out me ba eni akonwa ene nei wo matu no
ase enye open
ene aye open
NPPC
because for new person what I want to say is a new person ene aba ene one former DC ebe presco nya old person enti open sa na person me so person oye abrawai
wala sa crowd ene obehwe na tade o shen GTP for the man nemum esa so on from so bia ono anu kani ana opama no
wala Mr. Wa be male peno but on wale the opama no happy na me be play yama no
okay and the opama no opama
no Ghana ha open ho asem because on compare local stars wo boy international matches
it is the opama
here
the opama no opama ne kwa
wo ha no ho wo same kwa international matches no obo but guys ni so wo monti ase de bia no o cheche enam se ni ti na apa wo small boys ni ti na apa entra
na na hanu so waje mi bitu ya
enu so lala se na guys na nije ho na o mo twetwe ho na o mo twetwe
kwa bazisi ya
Odo ahoma so edi infie dunum. Now throughout the years, awards bebraba, GN Banks Awards for radio, and me da say the most popular television show, Odo ahoma so, and also mo crown me the queen of television, and me da say Odo ahoma so, siye wukuada, and memoranda. And you may know dunia shasie, do me any de ko awie. On Adum TV, and you may do back on your shasie, don't quote near the ko awie. Or the fuck high. Since the young wa wumiem. Na so worried dear. Nay was said dear, so to me my empema grow a day. Nay I will dance when I was so home. Meda.